welcome back to my YouTube channel. Go back to YouTube. Make sure you like and subscribe. You can see on the intro say subscribe. So I have 2 intros. So please don't judge me when you judge me. So I was so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry I didn't show how they did my hair, but it took 4 hours, so I didn't. You guys will get tired of me. So this is how the hair works. I'm sorry I didn't do a video and I told you. You guys on TikTok, I'm going to show you how to do it. So that I want to show you. Look now, guys. I just wanted to show you. But guys, bye. It's just a short video. Short video. Bye.